nightmares about Jon Snow dying?
Yeah.
Then you might have hiatus fever.
What's that?
Well, that's what happens when your favorite show decides to take an extra year to film a new season. Don't worry, there's a cure.
How?
That part's easy. Turn into Game of Thrones as it returns for its final season on April 14th. Can't find anything to watch on Hulu? In a bit of a haze? Then you have hiatus fever.
What's that?
Well, that's what happens when your favorite show decides to take an extra year to film a new season. But don't worry, there's a cure.
How?
That part's easy. Turn into Game of Thrones as it returns for its final season on April 14th. With your HBO add-on, you can watch it right on Hulu. No more scrolling for hours with nothing to watch. Side effects may include thinking that winter is always coming, thinking that you win or die every time you play checkers, telling your friends that they know nothing, and insisting that you are Daenerys Starborn of the House Targaryen, the first of her name, the Unburnt, the Queen of Meereen, the Queen of Andals, the Queen of Rhoynar, and the First of Men, Khaleesi of the Great Gas Sea, Breaker of Chains, and Mother of Dragons.